We watched and waited for Sebastian while he was in this coma. Then we decided, the team and I, that it was time to rewarm and wake him up. We woke him up, and we decided to take the breathing tube out. And within hours, he spoke. Sorry. Since then, he's done tremendously well. We are very optimistic. He's walking. He's speaking. I saw him this morning. He's ready to go home. I don't know if I want him to leave yet, but he's ready to go home. He went outside for the first time to get some fresh air. We believe, he optimistically he will recover very well and in good rehab when he returns home to South Florida. I have treated amoeba cases in the past, and they're all severely marginal, fatal. So this is a story that we need to tell about Sebastian Delano. Thank you.